Isimonga adir madinama. Elu megidanga. Analegide. Elu na megide. Isimonga adir munama.
It doesn't matter what they have done in that your family compound. It doesn't matter what they have buried there. It doesn't matter the sacrifice they have done there. It doesn't matter their utterance over your life. It seems as if there are things they have done there. That the moment you step into that compound, you must obey to their instruction. I don't know what they have said. I don't know what they have done. I don't know what the price they have paid to have done that. I don't know the sacrifice they have done. But there is a greater sacrifice. Whatever any man has done, any man who has done big for you, any man who has done well for you, may they fall into that well. May they fall into that pit.
I cannot do it on my own. Holy Ghost, I cannot do it on my own. Holy Spirit,